Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to uncover the secrets that expert investors swear by. If you're anything like me, you've probably wondered what sets successful investors apart from the rest. What secrets do they know that we don't? Specifically, we're going to be talking about Naov, a stock that's been on many investors' radars. Understanding the insights and strategies from seasoned experts can make all the difference in making informed investment decisions. Trying to make sense of stock trends can be overwhelming. You've got charts to analyze, financials to review, and news to keep up with. It's easy to feel like you're drinking from a fire hose, especially when it seems like every expert has a different opinion on what will happen next. One of the biggest challenges investors face is separating noise from signal. There's always some hot tip or breaking news that can send stock prices swinging wildly. But how do you know what's really important and what's just market noise? Then there's the issue of risk management. How do you protect your investments from significant losses while still taking advantage of potential gains? This is where experience and strategy come into play. Making informed decisions requires a solid understanding of the stock's fundamentals, technicals, and market trends. Without a clear plan, it's easy to get caught up in the emotions of the moment and make impulsive decisions that can hurt your portfolio. Stock experts often emphasize the importance of having a long-term perspective. It's easy to get caught up in short-term market fluctuations, but successful investors focus on the bigger picture. They look at a company's overall health, its competitive position, and its growth potential. When it comes to analyzing Naov, experts might look at a variety of factors, including its financial performance, industry trends, and competitive landscape. For example, they might examine the company's revenue growth, profit margins, and return on equity to get a sense of its financial health. Another key strategy is to stay informed but avoid overreacting to short-term news. Experts often recommend having a watch list of stocks you're interested in and keeping a close eye on market developments that could impact their performance. Technical analysis is also a crucial tool for many investors. This involves studying charts and patterns to identify trends and potential entry and exit points. One secret strategy that experts use is looking for stocks with a strong narrative. This means identifying companies with a clear vision, a strong brand, and a compelling story that can drive growth over time. For Naov, this might involve examining its product pipeline, partnerships, and market position. By understanding the company's strengths and weaknesses, investors can make more informed decisions about its potential. The most impactful secret, however, is the importance of continuous learning. The stock market is constantly evolving, and successful investors stay ahead of the curve by continually educating themselves. In today's fast-paced markets, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a hot stock tip or a sudden market move. But experts know that informed investing requires a thoughtful and disciplined approach. To sum it all up, expert investors emphasize the importance of having a solid strategy, staying informed, and avoiding emotional decisions. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Naov and stock investing in general. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out my previous video on stock analysis techniques for more tips and insights.